Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating 5 fantastic DIY projects using the microfiber mop heads available from the Dollar Tree. Yep, you heard that right, a mop head. But before we dive into these 5 awesome projects, I wanted to say welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you are a new visitor to my channel today and love DIY projects as much as I do, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new tutorial is ready to share. So now let's jump into our tutorial. For each project, you will need one microfiber mop head available in the cleaning section of the Dollar Tree. This item caught my eye with the white and gray fibers, and I knew I could turn it into something awesome. We want to first go ahead and start removing all of the packaging from the mop head. Separate the fibers so you can see that black clamp in the bottom middle and make sure it's visible. We want to take a pair of wire cutters and snip one of the black rods and twist it out of the way. This will allow you to release the fibers from that holder. Now once the fibers are untangled, you'll end up with 2 bunches that are approximately 45 feet in length. Here's a nice close-up of the fibers. These are super soft and surprisingly great quality. Our first DIY will be a covered waste basket. I purchased this white basket from the Dollar Tree, but you can use your own if you like. We want to start off by threading the tail of the fiber near the bottom edge of the basket and start wrapping it around, adjusting it as you go. Now once you reach the end, you want to feed that tail back into the basket. Then what we want to do is take the second strand and repeat the process until the entire basket is covered. Now we want to go ahead and adjust the strands for even coverage over the basket. And once you're satisfied in how it looks, we can go ahead and take our glue gun and we can secure those strands randomly throughout the basket. On the inside of the basket, we want to secure the strands by tying them together. And once they're tied, hot glue the strands in place. And there it is, a completed covered basket. I just love the random pattern it's created. Our second DIY project will be a table placemat. You can make 2 of these with one mop head. So you will need 1 fiber strand and a piece of fabric that's about 15 inches square for the back. I used an old sheet, but you can use any fabric you prefer. We will be adhering the microfiber to the fabric, and you can use hot glue, but I prefer this Fabri-Tac permanent fabric adhesive. It's clear, flexible, and washable. Start working the microfiber around in a circular pattern, ensuring that the strands are secured with the adhesive as you go. And we're going to continue working the strand around until the entire length of the fiber is used. We want to go ahead and make sure that that end is secure, and we want to pat the microfiber in place to make sure it's secured to the fabric. Finally, what we want to do is cut the excess fabric off the placemat, and you're ready to use it with your place setting. Our third DIY project is using the microfiber as a wreath wrap. I have a few wreath forms, and I think I'll choose to go with the round form for this one. So we're going to tie that first strand to the form, and what we want to do is just continue to wrap this around the form. Once the first strand is used, add that second strand as well for fullness. Once complete, you could go ahead and decorate it as you like. Our fourth DIY project is using the microfiber as a bath rug. So this project will be similar to the placemat, but we will be adding the second strand of microfiber to make this a large bath rug. We want to add the additional rounds to be sure that we secure all the strands with the fabric glue. Pat the rug in place, make sure it has good adhesion to the fabric. And then we're going to take our scissors and cut the excess fabric off near the edge when you're done. This is a pretty awesome and fairly large rug to use. DIY number 5 is a decorative throw pillow. Now this is an option you can use when you complete the bath rug before you cut off that extra fabric off the edge. After gluing down the 2 strands of fiber, what you want to do is you want to run a bead of fabric glue around the circle, making sure you leave an opening about 3 or 4 inches in order to stuff your pillow. We want to place another piece of fabric on that circle and press it into the glue around the circle. Or you can also sew it to the top, which I've done instead. And I've pinned my fabric in place. So once all sewn in place, what you want to do is go ahead and remove all your pins. And you want to take your scissors and you want to cut off that excess fabric, making sure you flare out the opening so it'd be easy to secure when you're done. Now once your adhesive is completely dry, we can go ahead and flip the pillow inside out and we can prepare to stuff it. Now what I will use for the stuffing is from a large body pillow that I purchased from Walmart for about $8. I've used this pillow to stuff all of my pillow projects, and you can also recycle any pillow stuffing you may already have on hand. So once that pillow is fully stuffed to your liking, you could go ahead and just fold in those flaps of the opening and secure in place with your fabric glue, or you can sew it in place. And there you have it, an awesome throw pillow for your bed or sofa. So easy to make. Listen, I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial and have become inspired to create something with an unconventional item. Let me know in the comments what you would create with the mop head. Thanks again for checking out my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.